Kajing temu jong sarkar pedeng men penlong ya ka one nation one election hakari India ya ka bakalala ban one ra ya ka ONOE bill hapo ka yeng darbar Lok Sabha kala penlong ya usembut menteri rangba ka jela uba Prestone tensong ban ai kajing Kyrshan halor kani ka bill haba kren chikilat pathai khubor ha ka no phai sngi ka khat nyau tarik no pra arja arpusau uba Prestone uloong bakat kum kajing sngo jong ushimet upriang banan ka wei ka election namar anla ban Tyngkai ya ka por.
Well, as far as the nation, one election, I think I will not reply on behalf of the party. My personal opinion, number one is my personal opinion, I would like to see that the election is held once, okay, not twice or thrice, be it MP or be it MLA. Otherwise, if you calculate the time consumption that we have, especially in terms of model code of conduct, is so much. So if we have one election, I would see that we save a lot of time. Yes, maybe for 2 months or 3 months continuously, but after that, in 5 years, only 2 or 3 months, we have the model code of conduct. But if we have 2 or 3 elections, you understand, the model code of conduct minimum is 45 days. If we have 2 elections, 45, how many? So my personal opinion is, I would prefer, if it can be done, if it is feasible, that election, one nation is preferable for me.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta i ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya